In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset your TikTok For You page. To get started, open up your app of TikTok. Now there are a few things that you can do in order to reset your TikTok For You page. Now the first thing you can do is head over to the profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Now from here you can scroll down and tap on content preferences. Here, if you have selected any keywords or have added any keywords, you must remove it in order to reset your TikTok For You page. So if you have added these keywords, it will show you more of the videos that have those keywords. Now the second thing you can do is tap on languages and make sure that you also remove the preferred languages that you have selected. Remove all of them and tap on done. Now this will also remove the languages that you have selected and will show less of those videos. Now the last thing you want to do is when you see a TikTok that you don't like, you can simply tap and hold on the video and tap on not interested. What this will do is it tells the TikTok algorithm that you don't like a certain kind of video, and when you start tapping on not interested, TikTok will show less of those videos and it will start to show new videos, which will also help in resetting your TikTok For You page. So those were the few steps that you can do in order to reset your TikTok For You page. If you guys found this video useful, then share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching.